Anali Sanchez is a Mexican plus-size model known for her beautiful smile and cute personality. She was born and raised in Mexico only. She has made a big name for herself on social media by posting her sultry photos. She promotes body positivity through her social media content. And she believes every human being is beautiful irrespective of her/his body size. No, the plus-size Mexican fashion model doesn't have a boyfriend. She is currently single and unmarried as she is focusing on her career. Anali Sanchez started modeling in 2019 and she has gained a good following on social media in no time. Her Instagram account has got around 680,000 followers at the time of writing this line. Anali Sanchez promotes body positivity through her IG posts. And her charming and cute personality leaves everyone in awe. As of 2021, Anali Sanchez's net worth stands in the range of $500,000 to $750,000.